Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Sintra AI for real estate. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra AI and we're all logged in. And what we're doing here is we're taking a look at the specific power up that is the negotiation advisor. We're going to do a little bit of a demonstration here to give you an idea of how it is that Sintra can be used for real estate. And we're going to use a specific example here where we are offering consultation services here with Skillcraft. And so what I want to show you is how we would want to approach a real estate company in order to offer value through Sintra and explain how Skillcraft can help in integrating Sintra in your real estate company. So what I've done is I've come here to our negotiation advisor and we have our deal details here. So I've added here, we're offering Sintra to a real estate company, and our goals is to have the real estate company subscribe to Sintra or to partner with Skillcraft for integration. And here we have our lovely generation that is going to explain exactly how we're going to go about this. So this is a good opportunity to show you how Sintra can be used in similar situations. So if you're trying to negotiate a deal, this is how Sintra can help you do that. So looking specifically at real estate and how we can negotiate with a real estate company. Here we have a negotiation strategy for Sintra partnership with real estate company. Key talking points and levers highlight Sintra's value in streamlining real estate workflows, such as managing property listings, automating content calendars for marketing campaigns, and tracking client interactions efficiently. Emphasize Skillcraft's expertise in AI tutorials, offering tailored support for seamless Sintra integration and real estate specific use cases. Showcase referral partnership benefits such as increased visibility, enhanced client engagement, and potential revenue growth for the real estate company. Offer a limited time incentive to encourage quick decision making. Strategies for challenges, objections, cost concerns, break down ROI by emphasizing long-term savings, reduced manual effort, and increased productivity through Sintra's automation features. Provide real estate specific examples or case studies of successful Sintra use, such as efficiently managing multiple property projects or streamlining agent workflows. Reassure with Skillcraft AI support for seamless onboarding customized to real estate processes like CRM synchronization or marketing automation. Maintain a collaborative tone focusing on mutual benefits and addressing their operational pain points. Actively listen to their needs and tailor responses to highlight Sintra's direct application in real estate scenarios. Provide clear, concise answers and avoid overloading with technical jargon. Timing strategies, schedule meetings to align with their decision-making timelines, use follow-up strategically to maintain momentum, offer a demo or property-specific trial period to build confidence with finalizing the deal. Build trust, demonstrate Sintra's value in streamlining real estate operations, and secure the company's subscription to Sintra with a partnership for Skillcraft's AI's integration services. And we do, in fact, have a couple of offers here that we can provide. If you head over to our link tree, first off, we have the Sintra AI discount code for 60% off. Use promo code Skillcraft60 and you can get 60% off your subscription. In addition to that, we can also offer a free month to Sintra. If you use the code here, 2R3PE, then you can get 1 month free of Sintra so you could try it out for yourself. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. It is a fantastic tool. Let's just back up here for a moment so that we could see exactly how we got to the negotiation advisor. So I'm going to click back here and we'll see that this is a function of Millie, our sales manager. And here we have our power-ups. And if we click on see all, then here you can see the negotiation advisor, which is what we were just using there. Let's just take it one step back here. And just so that you could see for yourself how this works, let's just ask here, how can Sintra help a real estate company? And we're just going to hit send on that. So you could see for yourself exactly how effective Millie, our sales manager, can be in offering suggestions. So she's searching the web, she's creating a comprehensive analysis, and now we could see all of the helpful information that Millie is providing, and this will give you an idea of how you can do the same thing with your company. So we'll just take a look here, and we've got lead generation and management, property analysis and valuation, marketing and content creation, client communication, document processing, property management, market research and analysis, sales process optimization, implementation strategy, ROI metrics to track. So we won't go into deep detail with these. This is just to give you an idea of how you can use Sintra for your real estate company. And if you're interested in partnering with Skillcraft to help with implementation, by all means, get in contact with us, and we'd love to provide you with a free month and a 60% discount to get it started and see how it can work for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you check in our description at the bottom, you will see a link to our Linktree, and there you will find all of our promotions and information related to our upcoming webinars. Check that out. It's going to be a blast, and you can find here some amazing recommendations for AI tools. Cider AI is a fantastic tool that integrates into your Chrome browser so that you can ask a chatbot at any time to get the answers you're looking for. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.